As you saw in the beginning of the video, the metal had a lot of grooves going vertically along the UV sphere. To achieve this effect, we need to tell our noise texture to be scaled up on the x-axis. Using our Node Wrangler add-on, we can add this by selecting our noise texture and pressing Ctrl and T. We won't worry about our texture coordinate node for now. However, we'll use our mapping node to achieve the desired effect, as seen at the start of the video. So in the mapping node, we have location, rotation, and scale. All of these will dictate how our noise texture will be mapped onto our UV sphere. However, for now, we'll just use scale. Increasing our scale means that we have more of our noise texture bunched in on the x-axis. So I like to bring this up quite high to a number of 60. As you can see, we have that brushed metal look to it. However, one thing we should change is the strength of our bump, as grooves on metal are usually very subtle. So what we can do is change the strength from 1 to 0.04, and that gives a much more subtle effect. If we want the grooves to look even smaller, we can change the scale on our noise texture. And there you go. That's how we made the super simple metal shader with a touch of realistic bump. In the next video, we'll be making a wood shader.